The Manchester Access Programme is a local programme for Year 12 students in the surrounding catchment area of Manchester. It gives you the skills and almost a university-like induction to how you'd apply to university, the whole process, and how to cater your application to Russell Group and research-driven universities like Manchester. My experience on the MAP programme was at first quite overwhelming. You were given so much information, like research and referencing, that you'd never been taught before, but overall I'd say it was really enriching and exciting because it gave you the prospect of university that you didn't have before. Even though your brain's telling you 100 reasons you shouldn't go to uni and that you won't be good enough and you won't get in, there could be one reason that you'd actually really succeed and you'd love it. And I think Matt was able to show you the positives at uni when you were so focused on the negatives. You got to meet like-minded people and just have little things like socials that made it easier to navigate uni life. Being a MAP student carries over for the whole 3 years that you're at university. You get opportunities to receive financial and academic support that you might have not been shortlisted for if you hadn't have done MAP, and everyone's quite mindful that you've had to work really hard to get to this point, and they bear that in mind.